Guys, let's go ahead and we're going to check out next. We've got Eric's shop. So Eric, looks like the URL we have for your shop is wrong. Maybe you could try sending that again. All right, there we go. Now we got it. Cobb Traptions. Okay. Eric Cobb. So no, Kelly, if you're selling a vintage product, there's not going to be any issues with using selling a trademark product. All right, Eric. So we've got contraptions, wood crafts, earrings, home, and wall decor. Everybody got to be selling earrings, right? Earrings is a great market. There's lots of earrings to have and to be sold. I'm going to look at this first because this looks like a very cool product. A wooden perpetual calendar, circular day, month, year, external calendar. Does it work or is it manually operated? It's a manually operated. It's got to be manually operated. Dr. Cantor, the answer to any question is it depends. Ha ha ha. Oh, look, see it. See this. What have I been saying? See it in the lives of real customers. There we go. I like that a lot. That's so nice that Etsy finally pulled that in to show the products off, that people put together. Oh, wow. So this looks like you used to have it as a different version. Very interesting. So it's perpetual motion, Charles. Duh. I don't know what that means. And day within a perpetual calendar, you can use it year after year. The concentric circular design, automatically taking the number of days in the month and the cycle of leaf years. It's a master. The calendar is approximately. See, okay, I don't know if I'm stupid or something, but I can't tell if this thing is manual operated or if it has like a motor in there that does it for me. So I would say I maybe I'm just totally missing it. I don't know, but I think it would be helpful for you to clarify that because I feel like there might be a motor or some sort of watch in there that's moving it around, but I don't really know. Maybe you know, Rob. I can't ever tell if you're being serious or if you're just joking. The person moves it. I was giving you a hard time. See, this is why I'm so confused, Rob. You over here messing with me. I'm trying to come up with ideas and stuff. Okay, perpetual. I think that would be important to actually explain that it's manual operated. That would be really cool, Eric, if you had it in there with the a motor. That'd be next level, but I still think it's really nice looking. But I was confused on that, so I would leave a note in there. Apparently not everybody else is confused because you're making lots of sales, but one of the simplest ways to find out if you have confusing things about your products, guys, is to just look at the questions that come in, because a lot of people will come in and they'll be they'll leave you a message and they'll ask you a question. I am drinking coffee over here, Rob. We're coffeeing it up. How dare you? So on my listings, I'll tell you the most common message I would get off my products are, Charles, how big is this? What is the size? How tall is it? And I even have a photo on every listing showing the exact size and width of the product. So those are, even though I have that, I still get questions all the time, people asking how big it is. So I would put a clear detail in there that says this thing is manually operated, and maybe even a video. You could even show a video adjusting the time on it, and it would look really nice. Now, those are the different things there. Yeah, I think a video showing off how it's adjusted would be cool. And then if I'd love to see how is it hung on the wall, because I can tell like it comes with a stand, but then it also looks like it's hung on the wall. Perpetual calendar with a calendar and display base. Very easy to put together. Okay. Yeah, it looks really cool. I like that product a lot. Very fun product, very neat. It looks good. So I would just clarify those little details there, hopefully make people's lives a little bit clearer and easier to understand. Now, for your other products here, we got a lot of different things, and it looks like your photos are nice and bright, but some of them, like these earrings, look really nice. They both fit in there really good, but some of them are kind of not really fitting into the image properly. So right here, like this photo right here, I wish the image was just zoomed out a little bit more so I could see the whole photo. Yeah, I've got a lot to do on the photos. It definitely takes some work. I'd like it to just zoom out a little bit. That way you can see the whole entire sign inside the thumbnail photo, whereas right now it's definitely a little bit cut off. This one is super simple. You just need to position that one down a little bit, the photo, and then it would fit in there better. Um, let's see what else here. But lots of great looking products. And I think you just want to make sure that it's important that you get lots of lighting on these. Like this one here, it looks like a little bit more of an, just it doesn't look bright. It doesn't look like really warm and inviting. Like this coloring, I can tell this is outside. And this is the simplest photo hack. Take your pictures outside when it's sunny out. And I know that's tough for some people, but this photo, the colors are much more vivid and striking and beautiful than these ones right here, which are, just a little bit dimmer, and it doesn't give off the same effect. But this is a very cool product. So let's see, what do we got here? Number of maps, 1, 2, or 3. And then add your personalization for each star map, including the following: name, date, time of day, location, any other information you would like to include about the design. Sounds good there. Okay, I like this one a lot. Item is on 1/4-inch Baltic birchwood, has a sawtooth hanger attached. I think that would be nice to show the sawtooth hanger on the back of it, because it is something everyone's going to want to know is how do they hang it up. And then the sizing. So I would love to see the sizing, and I don't know if you have it in here. Okay, maps are 3-starred maps on 8x14 wood. 1 or 2-star maps are on 8x10 wood, made on 8x10. So I would like to know, what is the size for each? So one of the simplest ways to give the information is just to break it up with little headings and paragraphs a little bit more. So for example, on mine, we do little, arrows to kind of indent that this is a new section. And then we try to make it really clear about how big the product is, and then just any important details. And it's easier for people to digest the information when it's just kind of in bullet points like this versus in a long, a long description with these long paragraphs. It's harder to really find the important details. And I will say, even with this sizing information, I'm still a little confused, because you're saying the 1 and 2-star maps are made on 8x10 wood. But to me, it looks like the 1 and the 2-star are definitely different sizes. So I don't know why they would be on the same size of wood, unless you're saying it's doubled, or are you saying that the piece of wood just moves sideways? I'm a little confused there. So I'd like to know, what are the clear dimensions for the 1 size, the 2 size, and the 3 size specifically, and that would make it a little bit clearer on those details as well. Dad, Grampy, Melissa. And the one last thing, I think this is such a great product. You could do different versions of it, where some of it is maybe just like a birthday, and then some of it is more like you could do different copies of this listing, and one of them could be for like a birthday for one person, and then the other products might be made specifically for people that want to do like a family tree. Starlight, star constellation, family tree, or something like that would be a good keyword. But altogether, very, very clever idea, Eric. And I love the shop that you've got. So thanks for sending it in.